guys, this is Lida from the Sypnotix. Today we got our Google Pixel 5 in the mail. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay. Here we have, okay, let's go ahead and open this up. And then here we have the rest of this. Ooh. Okay, first I'm gonna take out the Pixel buds right here. Very cool. And this over here. And then we also have the Pixel 5 case right here, nice fabric case. And then we have itself the Pixel 5. Ooh. Here we have the adapter. So it feels super, super nice. I don't know quite how to explain it, but the word sandstone comes to mind when you've touched this Pixel 5 for the first time. It's got a really soft but textured feel to it, and the G is nice and glossy. It just adds a little bit of extra shine. And you can also see that the fingerprint scanner matches the rest of the back of the phone too. It just feels very soft with a little bit of texture to it. And this camera hump right here, it's very flat. You can barely see it. It looks really nice. And the size of it, it's really not that much bigger than the Pixel 4a, maybe just only slightly larger. And here it is for comparison too. So they actually look very similar. So the Pixel 5 has a lot going on for it. It's got one configuration, 128 gigabytes of storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM, a Snapdragon 765G. It's also got a 4080 milliamp hour battery and a 16 megapixel ultra wide lens. On the front is a 6-inch display and 1080 by 2340p. And it also has 5G too. Very stock Android feel still. Everything's still there. Android 11. It's very nice. A few new things with the camera. You can do video stuff. Motion. Okay. And then I think it said if you want to do a video, so I can hold this just like I would on Snapchat or Instagram, and I can record a video this way too. So I can hold this just like I would on Snapchat or Instagram, and I can record a video this way too. Pretty cool, huh? And here's the video stabilization, the audio zoom. The rest of the phone is very Android 11 feel. I think you can actually double click the power button and then it opens up your camera now. And then if you hold it, here we have the other Android 11 stuff where you can control things from your home. Now, the Pixel 5 is a Pixel phone, which if you've used a Pixel device in the past, you'll feel right at home. The Pixel 5 runs Android 11, which if you haven't checked that out yet, we made a 1 week with Android 11 video, so be sure to check that out there. In terms of differences and upgrades, the biggest difference is in the camera, specifically video capabilities. And we're going to be doing a lot of tests with this, probably checking out things like the stabilization mode and posting content to our Instagram at Sypnotix. So be sure to follow us there if you want to check that out. And speaking of Instagram, we're going to be doing an exclusive unboxing of the Pixel Buds there as well. So be sure to follow us so you can check out that content as well. And that about wraps it up for today's video. Once again, I'm Lida from the Sypnotix, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! So the other day I went to the market and I saw a bunch of people with their iPhones just checking their grocery lists. And I told them, hey, you should subscribe.